Get into a car with value. 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an Avalanche that delivers the security and comfort of a full-size SUV and the practicality of a pickup. Smooth, quiet, rugged, and thoughtfully designed to be as pleasant to drive as it is useful. This versatility vehicle was designed with your lifestyle in mind. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, four-wheel drive, remote engine start, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls. Tackle the demands of your busy life with ease in this comfortable Avalanche. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.